Hi Spartans, this is Mrs. Rogers. In this video, I will review how to export your works cited list from NoodleTools. If you need to know how to put sources into NoodleTools, please watch the previous video. So you can see I'm logged into NoodleTools, I'm in my project, and I'm on the Sources tab. My works cited list is complete, and I'm ready to export it to Google Docs or Word. Click on Print/Export at the top of the page, and go down and choose Formatting Options. In this box, you can set the options for your works cited list. You can give it a title. You can give it a custom header. I've selected to include page number only. And if you are doing an annotated bibliography, you can specify the format of the annotations and tell NoodleTools to include those annotations by clicking here. In this example, I'm going to choose to print the citations only. Finally, in this box, I can choose whether or not to include the URLs in my works cited. That is going to depend on the instructions from your professor or your teacher. Once I've set my options, I will click Close and come back to the Print Export button. I'm going to export my works cited to Google Docs. And you can see that NoodleTools has exported my works cited list in proper MLA format along with the hanging indent, the title at the top, and my page numbers. This now will appear in my Google Drive where I'm free to edit it or add it to the end of my essay or research paper. If you have any questions about generating your works cited list, please contact me in the library. Thank you for watching.